Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to read crochet patterns. To begin, we are going to be going over 3 tips that I have that should make it easier when reading crochet patterns. We will be going over abbreviations and terms that you will see within patterns. Then we will be going over the layout of my granny square hexagon pattern so you can get used to what you will see within crochet patterns. So let's get into tip number 1. That is going to be print out your pattern and mark through it. As a beginner crocheter, it was really nice to be able to print my pattern out and mark through any rows or any stitches that I did to keep everything organized within the pattern so I wasn't getting confused. Tip number 2 is going to be reach out for help. Everyone within the crafting community is very helpful and friendly. If you are confused on any patterns or any stitches, feel free to reach out to anyone within the community. I get questions all the time on my own crochet patterns and patterns that sometimes aren't even mine, and I try and help people as much as I can. Another reach out for help tip is going to be reach out to the creator of that pattern. Generally, I find that if I need help on anything, everyone is pretty friendly, pretty helpful, and willing to help in any way that they can. The third tip is going to be take your time. It's okay if you need to take time to get a stitch down, to get a pattern down, or to get a row down. Now we will be getting into abbreviations and terms. I'm going to throw up some charts that I found online, and I will have everything listed down below for where I got these charts from and some helpful websites so you guys can check more out. There are tons of charts online with abbreviations and terms used for crochet. So this is going to be the very beginning thing that you're going to need to know when crocheting. Most patterns are going to be laid out with these terms. They're not written out in full words. You're going to want to know general abbreviation and terms because you're going to see those within crochet patterns. Being familiar with those going into the pattern is definitely going to help you understand the pattern easier. Now we can get into going over my granny square hexagon pattern. I didn't want to go into this pattern too deeply. I did just want to go over the layout. So when you see crochet patterns, you will generally see how they are typically laid out. Everyone does have their own flavor of how they like to lay out their patterns, but typically this is what you're going to see, so you're not confused or unfamiliar going into anything. So typically you're going to see the title, possibly a picture of the pattern, any materials that you are going to need, crochet stitches that you're going to see within this pattern. Typically they will have links, and then the abbreviations to go along with the stitches. Getting into the pattern, you're going to see that it is broken down by rows, and it is again going to use these abbreviations. So you're just going to go row by row, stitch by stitch. Again, I would suggest marking through until you get to the end of your pattern. And again, if you have any questions on anything within the pattern, feel free to reach out to the community or the creator. So this is typically what it is going to look like. Materials, crochet stitches and terms, and then the pattern. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of me going through just some easy beginner stuff for how to read crochet patterns. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below. If you have anything else that you would like to contribute to anyone learning how to read crochet patterns, please leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.